how to view all of your cards on Trello at once. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution, and in this video I will show you how you guys can view all of your cards on Trello. So the process is very simple. So let's say if you are somewhere else on another website, let's say you are on this particular website. Well, the process to view all of your cards on Trello is very simple. All that you guys need to do, you just need to put this particular URL over in your browser, which is trello.com/my/cards, and then after that, as soon as you guys press enter, this is going to take you guys over to all of your cards that you have on your Trello board. So right now I don't have any cards on my Trello board at the moment, but if you guys have Trello cards, you guys will see all of your Trello cards over here. Another easy way to view all of your cards is to simply click on your Trello icon over here, and then you guys can see all of your boards over here, and you guys can of course click on any one of these boards and you guys will be able to see all of your cards over here. So guys, this is very easy, doesn't take much time, but this can of course save you a ton of time. If you are someone who wants to work fast, you can just simply keep on pasting this URL whenever you want to view your cards, and you will be able to view your cards. So guys, I hope that this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.